What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Zenitsu alternate version. Different eyes, not drawn in the Demon Slayer style. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with eye. No. Start with nose. Sorry. Yeah, so we'll go with this curved out nose, right? So curves out and then curves back in. So it's kind of like a letter L or a number 7, right? And his eyebrow goes sort of that way, so it's like an S sort of shape. So this lower half, so you block this out, that's like an L or an upside down 7, and then at the top it kind of like scoops out this way for his eyebrow, and his hair will kind of cover some of that. So the eye then, just across from here, so we got like a diagonal spiking eyelash line here, and then that'll just go across relatively straight, and then it spikes back down here in the corner, and you can thicken it up. You can just make it a heavier line, maybe with some hairs kind of sticking out the front there. So not the same as the Demon Slayer eyes we normally draw. Right, and then the bottom eyelash line kind of just curves around here up into the corner. And I think they give him some like eyelashes on the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add like a bit of a nostril here, I forgot. And then his iris with big half circle. Curving around there. And then his pupil, same sort of thing again. Just a black one. Here. So, eyebrow. It's kind of like just a diagonal sort of spike going here, relatively straight, and then it gets thicker at the front like so, and then we got some like eyelid lines just coming across here, 1 or 2, maybe like a nose line there as well. Right, so his mouth kind of sticks out, so it comes down from the bottom of the nose, goes out, the top lip sort of forms this like a letter M, top lip and the bottom lip goes in, back out, and in, right? So it's like an M sort of stretched out, you know? And then this goes down to his chin, which comes around here. Right, so you can see that line now for the face, diagonal. So his mouth, just where in the center of this M, where this points in, the mouth just comes down this way. So it looks like a real serious downturned sort of mouth. Right, so his jaw then, up the side of the face, and then up towards the ear. And we might be able to see like a little bit of his eye. Just in there, but not much, like it's tiny. Okay, that kind of thing, nothing major. You could like obscure that, even color over it if you wanted. Because like there's hair that comes over it and everything. And his eyebrow will probably go that way. So in the ear, just over this side, earlobe curves around. Down in And then you have ear lines inside, so like a letter J kind of a thing, just there. And then you could add a bit more if you wanted to add a bit more detail. Now, so loads of hair, right? So coming down over the ear, say, and they do it spiky, so you can, but we'll do it kind of squarish. Just to give it that Zenitsu look. It's just coming across the face here. It goes all the way across the eyebrow. And then, as I said, it comes across this eye a little bit here. These square ends. Like so. It's like the wind is like blowing his hair all this direction. So it all like sticks out this side and goes around the back of his head to the back of his neck. So say like we got his neckline for his hair. It's right here, like this little spiky situation. And then like all these hair spikes just sticking out. Kind of square, so maybe you could do some of them pointy if you wanted. Like this kind of stuff. Just building it up. Sticking up this way. And then it kind of goes all out here. I'm just getting the main shapes in now, and then I'll go back in and I'll add like extra details to all this hair inside here. Just getting the outer edges. First, and then we'll go up here and just add some more sort of textures and hair texture lines and stuff all in here. Okay, so you can add more or less to this texture wise if you want, but I think that's enough for me, because our color will do most of the work for the form of it. Now, so you just see like his shoulder, and his kimono is kind of different in this. He's got like a big collar. So we've got the white collar that comes down, the standard sort of Demon Slayer one, right? So neck curves there. And then the collar goes back that way. And then it goes around the back of his neck. It goes out, down, and then it meets the black sort of here. Neck muscle should be there. And then the black part of the collar is just here. So his like folding sort of kimono fabric, right? So this is like a big collar that just like goes up this way, sticks out in there. It's like a hood maybe, or just comes over the shoulder and down, bumping sort of down the front here. Yeah, it's just fabric lines there, and then the back folds down that way. And then we got like the shoulder line. There, and then like folds all on the back. And this collar will go around the back of his head. Around here. And if you want like triangles, you know, all that stuff that Zenitsu has on his clothing. Very thin. Like so, and then like some more fold lines there. So his sword is just kind of like sitting against his body here, right? So it goes out from behind this piece of clothing here, right? And then we go down this way. Right, and the hilt of it is just like sitting against his chest. So you have this flower-like hilt here, bumping around like that, right? And then there's all sort of extra lines inside this. Right, and then top of that box, like that, and then the side of the sword comes down, and he's got this gold. Well, samurai swords usually have this gold thing here, and then we got like diamonds that come the whole way down. So we'll go And then it's got like crisscross sort of lines that come around the side. And then in here. It's all sort of wrapped up. Like that. And I think like this hood becomes maybe a bit of a cape or something. There's like another piece of fabric that comes out this way. Comes out from behind his lip. So I'll add it. It looks kind of cool. So goes behind the sword. And then of course, lightning and or fire. Boom, boom. All right, Zenitsu. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.